Back to this tutorial. Today we are going to use tests in our worksheets. We've selected our worksheet already, so we are going to work with what we call tests. Now if you want to work with tests, you come to your test tool. This is the T. Come here, you select it, and then you send it to the working area here. Sorry. Okay, now let me select a better size for it. That you see it very well. Okay, so let me just zoom it out. Now on default, what you get is the lorem, so you delete the lorem, and so say my first photo shop work. You get it? Now this is our first this thing. Now if you want to go and then move your text to any place, you have to go to the move tool, and then you drag, you can move it anywhere that you want to put it. Do you get it? Now let's go to the text tool again, and then write in different work. Say I love Photoshop. So I've taken my time on all these things because you need it. This is the basis of all work that you do on Photoshop, and then if you don't get this, you wouldn't get anything else again. Now you see this, let's say you want to change the colors. You go to FX, as I told you earlier on. You go to color overlay, pop-up will come, and then on default there's a color there. You can also change the color to any color that you want, and then you save it. Okay, now we are done with the test, so we would also go to another thing that we call color gradient, stroke, and bevel and embossment. That will be our next week. So see you on the next tutorial. Have a nice day.